Welcome to the ramen assembly line. Rows and rows and rows, or not rows, seats and seats and seats. Oh, two open ones. Of hungry ramen eaters. This is crazy. And turn around. They have got this thing down to a system. All right. Well, here we are, Ichiran, and we've just paid at the vending machine, and we're going to select our options here. I'm going to go with all the standard recommendations. So we're doing a mild, a medium dashi stock, medium richness, medium garlic, green onion, chasu, spicy red sauce, and then noodle texture of yum. We've paid for these tickets downstairs at the vending machine. The nice lady takes them, and then behind this counter, we can't even see her face. Behind this magic window that she just closed, amazing ramen is going to appear.
There's no interaction between us.
Yes, and if you came with a friend, good luck talking to them because they're stuck behind this wall. Although, oh no, they're just stuck behind this wall. You can actually do this. Dun dun dun! Magic! Winning. So here's the system guide on how to order.
Beer.
And then focus on taste if you want to order more stuff. There you go. So let's wait. Let's see what happens.